Yes, guys, this digital product makes $4,140 a month, guys. It sells 207 units of these digital download products. What a fantastic product. What fantastic passive income, monthly passive income it makes, guys. So without further ado, let's check this out. But guys, if you do like videos on digital downloads and how to find the best niches or the best niches out there to sell your digital downloads, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall bring you lots of videos on some of the best trending niches and some of the best selling niches out there. So this one is a really good one. Now, this one is about educational posters, educational information, designs, decor for kids. And it's one of the biggest things out there, guys, right now. And it's something that is also quite trending. Now, look at this. This is a listing which is about 7 months old. So not that old. Not that old. It sells about 207 estimated monthly sales of this particular product. It makes about $4,140. Fantastic money right there. Conversion is 2%. Not amazing. It has a really good visibility score. So guys, like I said, I use EVERBEE, which is this SEO software, and it's really good because you're able to analyze some of the best niches. So if you're interested in any of these softwares that I use, check out the links in my description, please, guys. So anyways, this actually costs $20, right? This product. So let's just get a little bit deeper into this. So this is a fantastic product that sells many different, it's a bundle. Look, I say it all the time. Bundles sell really well. People love bundles, guys. And look, when it's a digital product, bundles is not really going to cost you much in the long run. It might be something where it takes a little bit of time to produce at the beginning, not a hell of a long time, but something in the long run that always goes a long way. And it really does help. So look at this bundle. So this person sells these kind of downloadable files. Look, they're not difficult, they're not hard to produce, but what they are is, look, they got characters there, something really nice that can go on a wall in, say, a bedroom or maybe in a school. Really nice educational posters. So it could be anything from, like lettering, learning particular alphabet, nice quotes, nice sayings. People like to have decor these days in schools or in an educational environment that look quite appealing. Look at these. These are kind of like nice pastel colors as well. And look at these. These are like, shapes here. You got letters here. You got numbers here. And, they're in a really, really nice style. They're talking about the weather here. And they what they do is the seller has created a sort of mock-up in a frame just to give you an idea of how nice it can look. Again, this is a really nice way of selling the product. Look at this character bear with her books. I dream big, I am brave, I do good. Some nice quotes, nice sayings. Neutral colors, guys. People really like these neutral colors. Things that you can do. You can frame these, canvas it, or wood hanger. Gives you ideas of how you can do it. But guys, look, this is the kind of stuff that can sell really well. And look at a bundle. The bundle is not really a hard thing to kind of produce altogether. Look at these little images, art images, weather, and very simple. And what's nice is I always like to look at the reviews and just to see what people have said. And look, it's really nice when you got someone who's got a picture and they've actually printed these out. Saying that's really cute prints, love the colors, and it seems to go really well with that background. So in an educational environment, people are really like wanting more and more these like really nice kind of artistic style, simple images, which are kind of neutral, kind of minimalistic, simple things. And look at this, you got lots and lots of images and lots of bundles. Actually, this shop does a lot of these bundles and a lot of learning printables, if you like, quotes and so on. They've really taken on board this niche. But you can see that this niche is a very popular one, guys, and it can sell really well. I mean, when you're talking about $4,000 or so, guys, it can go. This is a really good one to get into. So we're gonna analyze this further, guys, and just look how good this can be. So in terms of this analysis, we did touch on this using my SEO software EVERBEE. Let me go back to the other one. So let me just get back. Yeah, sorry. So you can see here you got 4,140 estimated revenue per month, guys, which is really, really good, by the way, really good. And then what I like to do is I like to see what are they actually getting into? What are the keywords they're using? Because don't forget, they are using particular keywords which they're ranking for. And these tags that they're using, I like to just analyze. And this is why I like EVERBEE, because you're able to analyze some of these tags. Now, look, some of these are maybe not going to be so great. Some of these maybe not so, you might not get a lot of information from. So, for example, you got a few of these that the volume's negligible. You got 151 here. The trend is not applicable. But where you do get some that are, you can see what's going on. You can see that classroom decor is a good one, 1,566, and look, it's trending. You can tell, it's curving up, guys. So this is something that they're ranking for. This is something very interesting. Sorry, so and then also look, you can see the volume of other ones. Toddler playroom 1,203, educational poster 1,116, homeschool prints 986, girls bedroom art 79. It all adds up, guys. All of these are keywords that people are searching for on with a monthly search volume here. That's what they are, monthly search volume. Girl prints, girls wall decor, and so forth, guys. So what this person is doing, trying to rank for this kind of thing, right? Very smart, because they're able to rank and they're able to sell really well. So this one is a beast of a product, guys, to be honest with you. And then what I like to do sometimes is I like to check out ones that are just kind of new to the game. Some things that are slightly new to the game. And I'll give you a little example of something. Now, if I click this one, which is called the Custom Teacher Rewards, they have sort of stamp inking, reward stamp self inking. You can see that this one's 4 months, but this one's making $1,000, right? Now, obviously, sometimes you need to double check and make sure it's digital. So I want to double check on that. I'll come back to that in a second. But look, I'll give you another example of something that is a educational poster-esque, which is something that we looked at already, which is this one. Look, this has been around for 3 months, listing age 3 months. Just 3 months, guys. $581 it's making a month right now, selling 31 of these. Now, if I go to the actual listing itself, you will see that, again, they are the simple handwriting format style. Actually, very similar to the last one in a way. Look, weather, solar system, seasons. These are simple things for kids to look at, right? To learn from as well. And there's not many. It says in addition to the set of 12, these are sets of 12. They're looking at days, numbers, spelling, the letters, numbers, and so on. This is not hard actually to produce, actually, and it's all digital. As it says, this listing is a digital file, and what you do get is you get a kind of zip file, digital files in there. And it could not be easier, guys. It could not be easier. And even, in fact, it's got 50% off, and it's still making like almost $600. And it's like 3 months old. Now, what are they ranking for? I like to check this out as well. So some of the keywords that this person's ranking for. Now, look, these are some of the keywords. They have some slightly different ones, but yet some good ones as well. Educational set, 698. Alphabet poster, because they got alphabet and alphabet numbers. These two are because they actually have these 766 and 782 monthly searches, guys. Educational poster 1116. So this one is nursery prints. This is a good one. Look at the numbers on that. So guys, if you're able to get into a product and you're able to hit some of those fantastic keywords, that's how you're going to get your sales. Because when you combine the volume of searches, then obviously it becomes a really big volume, right, of searches. So the classroom decor, if you like, niche, or educational print niche, is a really good one because it's something that is always going to be needed, right? Always going to be needed, guys. So, you would obviously keep checking and seeing what it is, and you will niche down. So you might have classroom decor for high school, elementary, middle school, and that's how you niche down. This is how you get the long tail keyword searches. So for example, I've just typed in classroom decor high school, because let's say I want to go for the high school niche, and then you got all of these particular type of prints for the high school students, let's say possibly, and look, the results are less. That means I'm able to rank on these 521 results. That is a really good number. I always say go below the 20K number for the results, and you should be able to rank quite well. And obviously, when you create your product, remember, you can create these products so easily in something like Canva, guys. I say it all the time, and I will keep saying it all the time, guys. I will show you very quickly, like for example, if you wanted to do something, numbers template. Is it numbers? I mean, let's say you want to do something for kids for numbers. You might not get exactly what you want, however, you might do. And actually, I have done. Look at this. I mean, look, Canva has it all. Simplest thing. So, for example, if you want one of the students to look at numbers, let's say missing numbers, that's something that you could have as a template. Now, obviously, some of these could be used and could be adapted. And you could have something as a print on the wall, actually. Obviously, you'd kind of change up the colors, change up the design. But let's say, you're looking at something to do with numbers, and you got something where they need to fill the blanks with missing numbers. Now, look, this is a very, if you like, kid-friendly, really nice, cool design, which you could always like adjust and change colors for, which you could do quite easily. And what's nice about Canva is, you obviously can change it to anything you like, any colors you like, something that you believe would work quite well. You can change the characters, you can change the number style, you can change the background. As you know, you can change literally anything. And you can make it into your own style, because you might have sort of green sort of style, which I've just changed now, and then you might even change the characters, the numbers. What's nice about Canva, you can just create it and then you obviously share it and get them to download it. And that could be one of 12. I mean, look, if you remember, we had that, fantastic one, which had, I believe, 12 different prints, and it was making a really good amount of money. So this is what you do, guys. You'd literally, I mean, let's have a look. How many did this one have? I believe 12 educational posters in handwriting. All you need to do is produce 12 of these, and you could really actually sell it and make good money. I mean, that one's been 3-month listing and it's already making some excellent revenue. How much was it making? Let me just double check. Now, these 12 educational posters in handwriting format currently make almost $600, 581. It's only been 3 months, so this is obviously going to grow. So, guys, this is a fantastic niche. These educational posters, these kind of sort of classroom decor, if you like, prints, which are really fantastic, guys. So check it out, guys. And if you are interested in more digital product videos, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist. Don't forget to check out all the links in my description, which actually shows you all the software that I use. And don't forget to check out the 2 videos that are coming next, guys. Take care, and I shall see you on the next one.